We all know that, first, the congressmen did not read the articles of impeachment. Second, many of them receive a budget or many in exchange for their signature. Ang context po nito o ang tanong ay parang allegedly sinasabi ni VP Sara Duterte na hindi muna binasa ng 215 lawmakers yung impeachment case bago ito pirmahan. What do you make of this po?
Yan po ay unang-una. Ito pong mga pumirma ng impeachment, ng articles of impeachment, ito po naman ay mga mambabatas eh. Hindi po ito pipirma nang hindi nila nauunawaan kung anong pinirmahan nila. Especially, it is under oath. Pag under oath, that is under pain of perjury. Hindi naman nila siguro isusulong ang sarili nila sa ganun. So, palagay ko ay, propaganda na lang yan.
Follow up with that, attorney, kasi even with the start of the Good Government Committee hearings nung nauungkat yung anomalya ng confidential funds with the OBP and the DepEd,